Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottenden from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 280 and I wanted to talk to you this morning about what I am struggling with. So I exercise every single day. I wake up really early, usually around 5 a.m. I work out and then I get straight to work. And this morning I was really struggling. I actually slept in this morning until about 6 a.m. which is just unlike me. But I was so tired. And then, of course, because I slept in, I was thinking, I don't have time, nor do I feel like doing my workout. Well, I exercise every single day. I never miss a day. I do 30 to 45 minutes, and I hated the thought of missing a day, but I just was not feeling it. And after struggling a little bit in my mind, you know what I thought to myself? Wait, brace yourselves. This is super deep. I thought, okay, in a half an hour, 30 minutes will have passed, whether I do something or not. And for whatever reason, that thought motivated me to get myself on my treadmill and get moving this morning. So, if there's something you're avoiding, think to yourself, you know what's going to happen in a half an hour? 30 minutes will have passed, whether you do something or not. And of course, I'm a huge believer in discipline equals freedom. That comes from one of my new favorite books, Discipline Equals Freedom, a field manual by Jocko Willink, my Navy SEAL best friend who doesn't know me. And I don't ever wear t-shirts, but I wear this t-shirt because it says, and I love it. So, is there something you are avoiding in your life or your business? And how hard would it be for you to actually do something? If it's on your mind, it's there for a reason, and it's pressing on you and it's holding you back. Because now that I did my workout, I got my little quick hit of dopamine. I feel better, I'll get some work done, and it'll be a great day. There's something you're avoiding that you're trying to not think about, but your brain will not let you stop thinking about it. I implore you to just tackle it. Just do the thing you don't feel like doing. It makes a huge difference in your mental approach and outlook and how you feel about yourself. For some of you, I actually know what that is. Some of you are avoiding learning Photoshop. Why? Because it seems overwhelming and it's a huge program, yet you know you need to do it and you're avoiding it. So why don't you tackle it? There are tons of free videos on YouTube, especially at the Flourish.Academy. You can check those out. I have a full course on Photoshop you can step yourself through, but for some reason you avoid it and you've built it up in your mind to be this huge monster that you'll never be able to tackle. And that's simply not true. All of my videos, both on YouTube, the free ones, and in the paid course, most of them are 5 minutes or less. You can give me 5 minutes. And again, in 30 minutes, you could watch several of those videos. I'm no math wizard, but I think that's about 6. And you could learn so much more about Photoshop, yet you avoid it because it just seems too big. Well, maybe you're thinking you need to be an expert in Photoshop tomorrow, but that's not the case. Why not just start somewhere? Just start somewhere and do something because it will help with your progress, and progress equals happiness. As long as you are moving forward towards a worthwhile goal, you will feel better about yourself. You get that quick hit of dopamine, and then that leads to better decisions, which lead to a better outcome, which lead to more success, all because, in my case, I forced myself to get on the treadmill this morning, and that's because discipline equals freedom, and in a half an hour, 30 minutes will have passed, whether you do something or not. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.